What's going on, guys? Barry here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting a smoke taillight on the Sportster and taking off the old one. Let's get started. For today's project, all you're going to need to do is get one of the bigger Phillips and then more fine Phillips, and that's it. So today we're going to be taking this ugly old taillight off the Sportster and putting this newer for this bike LED smoke style taillight. And it's very simple. All you got to do is take your fine Phillips, and there's going to be two screws, one on each side, left and right. You go ahead and pop these two off. Make sure you don't lose your screws. Put them to where you won't forget them. Now be careful when you take this light off because there is the actual light inside. You want to turn that a quarter turn. Careful, pull it out, just like so. Put that in a safe spot. All right, now that we got the light cover off, let me explain to you what these wires are. So all the way to the right, this is gonna be your main wire, and then next to it, to the left, and the same one to the far left here, these are going to be your two turn signals. So this will be to your right turn signal, and this will be to your left turn signal. We're going to go ahead and unplug these. You can leave this one in here because we're going to be plugging in an LED one anyways. So take your fine screwdriver and find your pins, pop, and slightly pull out. Be careful, you don't want to pull your wires out. Pop. And then this one's on the side here. Pop in, pull out. So there's gonna be a big screw here, and that's where you're gonna take your fat Phillips and get it out. You might have to take pressure onto the back with your fine Phillips to get it all the way out. So. Okay, you wanna go up with your housing here and make sure you don't pull because your wires are still stuck in there. You want to push your wires back through the holes carefully. Little one first, big one, and then over here you're just going to push the little one. And there you go. You're going to get your second housing here. Unclip your LED to the housing. Make sure it's lined up correctly. Throw your wires through your holes here. Left and small one, big one. Okay, go ahead and place it in the spot. You just want to push in and down so that way it catches in the back. Left turn signal plugs in. Right turn signal plugs in. Main wire here plugs in. Now that we make sure we have all of our wires connected here, we're going to take our big screw and our big Phillips here. Go ahead and secure that on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Good. Okay. Take your smoke lens. Now with the LED, it's already in there, so all you have to do is take your wire and attach it to your other wire here. Make sure it's good connection. Just like that. Take your two screws. Make sure your holes line up. Take your fine Phillips. Tighten those two screws up. Got one started, let me start the other. Once you get your screws down and tight, you want to make sure that there's no gaps around the edges because you don't want water down into your wires. Now that the light's in, let's give it a test. Turn your key on before it cranks here. Squeeze the brake. Looks pretty good. So the taillight I put on here, I got this off of eBay for $5, $10 with shipping. The guy who was selling it came off an 06 Street Glide. So that just goes to show you that other parts from different bikes fit onto your bike. Okay, broaden your search. Like this taillight here. This taillight's the exact same one. All you gotta do is unbolt it and put it on yours. Okay guys, right here you can see the one is an 06 Street Glide and the other one came off of my Sportster. They're exactly the same thing. So you can go ahead and look beyond your search at different bikes. That way you can get those parts cheaper and throw them on your bike and they look exactly the same. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment to see what else you want to see on the bike. I have links down to my other videos. Go ahead and check those out. And until next time.